Good morning! Hi, I'm Carly, and today's a very exciting day. Today we're demoing our bathroom! Yay! So let me just show you what we're working with before we demo it.
Okay, so here's what we're working with for our bathroom. I am not one to change things temporarily, so I have let things just be as is since we've moved in. We've never done anything to this bathroom, no paint, no fixtures, nothing. The only thing we changed out was the shower head because our other one broke, but other than that, it's been like this. So there's rust in areas, there is dirty areas where it's just no matter how much I try and clean it, it just doesn't really go. But we have kids, and I want it to be more hygienic, obviously, for them. So we are now renovating the bathroom. So this will be the first of maybe a few videos, as this is just the demo, and I'm going to kind of take you along the journey if you want to follow along for what else we do in our bathroom. I definitely would love some design ideas from any designer girlies out there on YouTube to let me know what I should do. I'm thinking I want to do an accent tile wall where the bathtub will go, which is underneath the window, and I'm not sure what to do with the rest. I'm struggling with the floor, and I'm struggling with the other side walls. I want everything to be tile so it's nice and easy to clean, but just to like have that look, I'm just not sure what I want to do because I don't want the floor to be slippery and I don't want it to be hard to clean, but I want it to look nice, but I don't want it to be too trendy because when it's too trendy, then it gets dated really quickly, but I also don't want it to be dated. So I am struggling. So if you could help a girl out, that would be awesome. So leave your comments below to let me know what you think would look great in here. I'm thinking like a blue for the accent wall. Because I have like no color in my house. It's pretty much all whites and grays. Very millennial here. So yeah.
Oh, I also wanted to show you this amazing, beautiful door that we will be getting rid of. So this door right here, when we first moved in, we thought we might refinish the doors, just paint them, and then, you know, save some money that way. And we took one swipe to the door and we were like, no, we're buying real doors. And these are just like hollow cork doors, so they're really crappy and flimsy and, you know, just not great. But one of our friends on New Year's one year kind of broke our door, and it's been like that since we moved in. So we moved in September, end of September of 2016, and December 31st of 2016, that's when they broke our door, and it's been broken like this ever since. So it's been real pretty for a very long time, being 2024. But yeah, I'm excited to get rid of this ugly door. Also, this wall here, we have our old closet from our bedroom hidden behind here. So we did our bedroom in 2016, and we closed off this closet. So this is all open space that we can tap into. So I'm curious to see how dirty it is back here, because that's where our attic hatch, our old attic hatch is as well. So there's a bit of access to get dirt there, I guess, but maybe not, it should be fine. But yeah, so this will open up, if you can see, to enlarge our bathroom. So it's at least the size of the tub for space.
Okay, so I want to say a huge thank you to my husband and my brother-in-law and my husband and brother-in-law's best friend. They did an incredible job. They ripped apart our bathroom in less than a couple hours. They were so fast and efficient. So thank you to them so much for doing this project finally. So if you've stuck around to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for following along today. I can't wait to show you more. I do cleaning content, mommy content, and more of this. So if you want to hit that subscribe and like button, it would be greatly appreciated.
So super happy that it's all done. Here is where the shower is going to go. So where that closet was before, that's roughly where the shower is going to go. And then we have a soaker tub that's going to be going here, and then a small vanity behind me on this wall. And that's about it other than the toilet. It just is based on measurements at this point if it's going to go on either side. And then we're still gotta do some other things, obviously. So our window, we're gonna make longer. So it's just gonna be a more linear window. So eventually we'll do that. And then this is our attic right now. So we'll have to do some strapping, obviously, and so all of our insulation has a place to stay in the meantime, or else it's going to be very cold in here. But yeah, so stay tuned.